guys, the escapes that you should know. Cocarinha, arms, knees together. Yeah, resistente Vale. Should know those ones. Let's see it again. Cocarinha. Resistente Vale. If you go for resistente dois, that's when you push your knees forwards, here, then go for the volley. Remember, you want to put your knees underneath the kick. Trauma. So do gwthio pengina ymlaen. Yma. Two more. You're going to go here. See how I'm turning sideways? Because the kick's probably coming from the side. Kick's probably coming this way, yeah? You go, resistente dois. Good. So there is a high resistente as well, which is like your praying position. Front, up here, reach for the floor, and over. Yeah? So the resistente is the first bit. Go here, look, high hips, heel up, one hand to that. One or two steps is okay, depending how much space you want to take. I'll do it one step, stand here, high, okay? Okay, esquiva, lateral. Make sure when you do a volley it goes step with feet and up, yeah? I look before I stand up. Esquiva. Looking. Lower would be a negativa lateral, right down here. And up. Yeah? Same move, just going a bit lower. So if you were here, down, you want to bend to get low. Through. Same thing back to the back, esquiva para trás. Can you do a cartwheel here and end up there? This time, esquiva para trás, escape to the back. And now you're going to do a cartwheel that way. See how I'm looking? Yeah, going around in a semicircle. Here we go. This way. Looking at you. One more. We need to do escapes to the back. So volley. This escape here. Either leg straight, or you can go into here. Step over, make sure you're looking. Volley para trás. Or para fora. Para fora means away. Para trás means to the back. So you can have either name. Here we go. Two more of them. Is here. Jean, we're going to do one more.